with the EdenPURE, and like I said before, I've taken all the screws out to be able to show this easier. What we have is a new heat lamp. We're going to change it. Okay, to do this, you need to have a flathead screwdriver. This plate it's clamped in on the front, and you'll pry them tabs down gently, easing the plate out. And you can see I've taken 2 screws out. That is Phillips. That allows you to bring this part of the plate out. Before you can do that though, on the bottom there's 5 screws, 2 on each side, 1 holding this plate in the bottom. You take those out, it allows you to bring the bottom of your plate out to get off of these clips right here. Then this whole thing will come straight up. We can set it out of the way. There's a screw. I just left it sitting in there. Take this off. And that down in there is your heat bulbs. The one we've got to change is that guy right down in there. Now I've already taken the screws out here too. You pull that out, and there's a screw at the bottom. Right there, I've already taken it out. We take that off. Voila! It gets us to the back. And this is where the back of your bulbs are. That's how we get to them.